It was 2 a.m. One Google search led to another, and I ended up on 8 websites that genuinely made me stop and stare at the screen. Not tools you install, websites you open right now. 8 of them, all free, all capable of surfacing information most people have no idea is publicly available. Disclaimer: educational use only. Legal OSINT research. Authorized investigations, your own data. That's the boundary. Stay inside it. Website number 1, DeHashed. Most people check "Have I been pwned" when they want to know if their data was leaked. "Have I been pwned" tells you yes or no. DeHashed shows you everything. DeHashed is a breach intelligence platform sitting on 24 billion plus records collected from 24,000 plus data sources. You search by email address, username, password, IP address, domain, phone number, or name, and it returns every breach record matching that query. Not just the breach name, the actual data, the original hash, the source, the date, cross-referenced against every other record in the database linked to the same identity. The pivot capability is what separates it from everything else. You find an email. DeHashed shows you every username ever associated with it. You search that username. It shows you every email address and password that appeared alongside it across different breaches. One starting point becomes a complete credential history. Adds approximately 70 new datasets per week. Law enforcement agencies use it for investigations. 2 cents per query for full results. Website number 2, Shodan. Most people know the name. Most people underuse it significantly. Shodan continuously scans the entire internet and indexes every connected device, not web pages, devices. Servers, routers, industrial control systems, webcams, medical equipment, smart devices, exposed databases. If it has an IP and it's accessible, Shodan has probably seen it. The search operators are where the real power sits. Searching for a specific CVE surfaces every vulnerable instance currently exposed on the internet. Searching by banner content finds every device broadcasting a specific string. Combining country, port, product, and version filters gets you surgical specificity across the entire global internet in seconds. The historical data module shows what was running on any IP at any point in the past. For investigators tracking infrastructure changes over time or understanding what a server was running before it was reconfigured, the timeline is all there. Shodan Trends shows how exposure patterns for specific technologies and vulnerabilities change over months and years. No other platform gives you this view at this scale. Free account with limited daily queries. Shodan.io. Website number 3, Intelligence X. Intelligence X indexes what most platforms refuse to touch. It's a search engine and data archive that crawls Tor, I2P, data leaks, paste sites, document repositories, darknet content, government leak sites, and historical web archives, and keeps all of it searchable. You search by email address, domain, IP, Bitcoin wallet, cryptocurrency address, GUID, or any identifying string, and it returns matches across the full indexed corpus. The historical archive is the distinguishing feature. Content that was published in 2018 and deleted the same week still exists in Intelligence X's index. Documents that appeared on paste sites for hours before removal. Datasets that circulated briefly in underground forums. Pages that were indexed and then taken down. For investigators trying to understand the full exposure history of a target, not just what's visible today, but what has been visible at any point, the depth of the historical index is something no other public tool matches. The selector search lets you run one query and see results across all indexed sources simultaneously. The API is clean enough for automated workflows. Free tier with limited results. Full access requires subscription. Intelx.io. Website number 4, Intelon. This is the tool that solves the fragmentation problem every OSINT investigator runs into constantly. You're investigating a target. Breach data lives in one platform, stealer logs in another, threat intelligence feeds somewhere else, exposed infrastructure in a different tool. Switching between all of them for a single investigation wastes time and misses cross-source correlations that only appear when you look at everything together. Intelon runs a single search across all of it simultaneously. Stealer logs, leaked credentials, breach data, threat intelligence, publicly indexed assets, external attack surface data, and digital exposure patterns. One query, multiple intelligence datasets, results in seconds. The data is continuously updated, not a snapshot from 6 months ago. When a new stealer log surfaces or a fresh breach dataset appears, it's indexed and searchable within hours. The difference between outdated intelligence and current intelligence is whether your source actually keeps up. The alerting system runs monitoring automatically, email or telegram notification the moment new data matching your search parameters surfaces. You stop checking manually and start getting notified proactively. Intelon.io. Website number 5. Geospy AI. Upload a photo, get GPS coordinates back. No metadata required. Geospy AI analyzes the actual pixels in an image, building architecture, vegetation type, road markings, signage style, sun angle, and shadow direction, and uses AI trained on 46 million street-level images to estimate exactly where that photo was taken. No EXIF data needed. No GPS tag, just the image itself. Urban environments can come back with meter-level accuracy. A photo taken in a recognizable neighborhood returns the specific block. A photo with a distinctive building or landmark in the background returns a precise coordinate. Investigative journalists use it to verify where viral photos were actually taken before publishing. OSINT researchers use it to geolocate evidence in investigations. Law enforcement has used it to locate suspects from a single image shared on social media. Free tier with 20 lookups available. Geospy.ai. Website number 6. Hunchley. Every other tool on this list finds intelligence. Hunchley makes sure you never lose it. Hunchley is a web capture and evidence preservation tool that runs as a browser extension. It automatically records every single page you visit during an investigation. URL, full-page content, timestamp, and a cryptographic hash confirming the content has not been modified since capture. That cryptographic verification is what matters for serious investigative work. A screenshot can be claimed as fabricated. A Hunchley capture with a timestamp and hash is verifiable evidence of what existed on that page at that exact moment. For dark web investigations specifically, where .onion sites disappear constantly and evidence vanishes overnight, Hunchley captures pages the moment you land on them. The forum post you were investigating at 11 p.m. might be gone by midnight. Hunchley already has it. Used by law enforcement, journalists, and corporate investigators for legally defensible evidence documentation. Integrates directly with Tor browser for dark web sessions. Hunch.lw. Free tier available. Website number 7. Criminal IP. Think Shodan with a threat intelligence layer built directly into every result. Criminal IP is an AI-powered cyber threat intelligence search engine backed by a database of over 4.2 billion IP addresses. Search any IP and get back a risk score, open ports, exposed services, SSL certificate details, VPN and Tor detection, geolocation, and direct connections to known threat actor campaigns. The image search feature is the one that stops people when they see it for the first time. It visually browses actual screenshots of internet-connected devices, security cameras, industrial control panels, login portals that are sitting open on the internet right now, rendered as a live visual grid you can browse and filter. It's not just seeing that a device is exposed, it's seeing the actual interface of that device on screen. That makes the exposure problem immediately concrete in a way that a list of IPs never does. Free account available. criminalip.io. Website number 8. FaceCheck.ID. Last one. Upload a photo of a face. Find every social media profile, news article, and web page where that face appears. FaceCheck.ID runs AI-powered facial geometry matching against a database of 763 million images pulled from social media platforms, news sites, blogs, and public databases. The matching algorithm works on low-quality images, off-angle shots, and partially obscured faces, not just clean headshots. The coverage is specifically focused on social media and public web sources, which is exactly where most person identification investigations need to go. You start with one photo from an incident. FaceCheck returns the Instagram profile, the LinkedIn page, the Twitter account, the forum avatar, everywhere that same face has appeared publicly. Cross-referencing with Geospy on photos from those discovered profiles adds a geolocation layer. Two tools together can turn an unidentified face into a name, a location, and a full online presence. Credit-based pricing starting at $6. FaceCheck.ID. Bookmark all 8. You will use them. Like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment. Which one are you opening first? See you in the next one.